Alright, Flat Rate Mechanic here again, and today we're going to be diagnosing this check engine light for a failed smog. I got my scan tool hooked up here, and looks like we got 6 different codes stored in the ECM, and these are all, looks like they're all going to be related to it running rich. So I've already gone over some of this stuff, and I'm going to show you guys what I found. So let's go ahead and read the codes first. Fault codes. Alright, so we got an EVAP system leak detected, a P0455, system to rich, P2188. We got a P0441, EVAP system incorrect purge flow. And we got a P2190, system to rich at idle bank 2. And looks like some of these might be, some of these are duplicate. But purge control P0443, 2102 sensor stuck bias, which could be because of the rich condition. Okay, so basically, what I'm seeing here is it's running rich, and we got some EVAP codes, and we also have some purge system codes. So right off the bat, what I'm suspecting is we have a stuck open purge valve. So what I'm actually going to do first is we're going to go back and we're going to look at the fuel trims to see if it's actually running rich at the moment. Because if it's not running rich right now, then it kind of defeats the purpose of trying to see if we can fix it if the problem's not present. So we'll go in here and see if it's actually running rich. Okay, and as we can see, looks like we're adding 14 or taking away 14% fuel. Let's just bring it off idle and see what happens here. Okay, so right now it's actually indicating that it's running somewhat lean. So now, if we do have a stuck purge valve, it is possible that that's going to be causing a lean condition, but it can also cause a rich condition. It all depends on how much fuel vapor is in the gas tank. So if the vehicle's been sitting a while and it's hot outside and you got a lot of gas vapors and that purge valve still open, it's going to cause a rich condition. But say the gas tank is below half a tank, it's not really, it's been run for a while, it's been purging for a while, that rich condition could turn into a lean condition. So we're going to go under the hood now, and we're going to actually unplug the purge valve and the vacuum hose to see if the purge valve is leaking and actually see what it does to our fuel trim values. So bear with me, it probably is a little noisy out here, but we're going to bring this with us so we can watch our fuel trim values. There's our fuel trim values. This is our purge valve here. I'm going to unplug the electrical connector to make sure the computer is not commanding it. That should normally be, with it unplugged, this valve should be closed. We're going to plug this, see if we got vacuum. Okay, yes. So we're leaking, it's pulling vacuum through this valve when it's supposed to be shut. So this valve is definitely closed. And you can see when I take this off, it goes even leaner because there's no gas. It's actually, it's trying to add even more fuel. So if I block this off, we'll see what happens. Alright, so with this, alright, so I'm gonna plug off this valve, and you're gonna watch the fuel trims are probably gonna compensate. We'll watch the short term should go negative to compensate for the long term. Okay, so now the short term fuel trims are going negative, and what that's going to do in long term is draw the long term fuel trims back down to 0 where they both should be. And that's just me blocking off the purge valve down here.
So that's how you can verify your repair after you put the new purge valve in, is these two fuel trims are going to go to zero and basically even out. That'll about do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.